All right, so anything that you want to share with respect to relatability, impact,
Sure.
if you would recommend it, and just anything that might have touched your heart?
Thank you. Well, seeing you present today and looking at the faces that I see in my students, I see a lot of compassion. I see a lot of relatability. I know that it stands in our school and it still continues, and that touched everybody's heart, especially the story of the gentleman on the video. I forgot his name now. But that was something that opened everybody's heart, and I could see the tears coming by. I would highly recommend it. It was very engaging. It was relatable. It touched a few of our students, and I would say even more. I'm sure I'll hear about it after, but it was just beautiful. Highly recommended. It really touched our hearts. Thank you, Mr. Peace. We appreciate it.
Yeah, Mr. Peace, thank you so much for coming to Wilkinson Middle School. We really enjoyed the presentation. I think the most impactful thing was how relatable it was to our students and how real
Especially
it
our
was.
community,
Yeah,
yeah.
and it really hit home to a lot of our students. We desperately need that in more schools, so I would highly recommend this assembly to any middle school, any high school, any elementary school. And we would love to have you back to have more assemblies, but the stories that you told really touched a lot of our kids' hearts, and we are excited to help them work through their issues and to hopefully prevent more bullying in the future.
Looking forward to seeing you maybe next with our Humankind Kindness presentation. We appreciate you and thank you for touching our students' hearts.
Thank you so much, Mr. Peace.